Are you looking for the best worm drive saw? In this video, we will break down the top 6 worm drive saws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT DWS 535B. This worm drive circular saw is the ultimate in quality and durability. It has a durable, lightweight magnesium footplate and a mixture of aluminum and magnesium construction. This worm drive circular saw has a 15-amp motor that delivers 4,800 revolutions per minute and features a 53-degree bevel capacity for advanced applications. Also, this saw is solid and weighs 13.8 pounds, so it is robust enough to tackle most tasks. For one, there is an electric brake that stops the blade in an emergency. The cord is 4 times stronger, meaning that it is harder to slice through, as well as tougher to jerk. Additionally, it has magnesium construction. Magnesium is 1/3 less dense than aluminum and 75% lighter than steel, and yet it is more robust. It makes the perfect construction material for power tools because being lightweight and durable are staples of a quality saw. Finally, you would expect to pay far more for this product. Surprisingly, though, it is affordable when compared to other models available. At number 2. MAKITA 5477NB. This machine comes with hypoid gears as opposed to the standard worm drive gears. These gears come with extra benefits which include a bigger boost of power and improved surface interaction compared to that of standard worm drive gears. The hypoid gears also boost the speed of the blade and torque performance. The machine's potent 15 amps motor enhances its productivity. Also, it equally comes with oil bathing technology with shielded gear covering for minimal repairs. With a weight of roughly more than 14 pounds, this saw is easy to handle, especially with the integrated comfortable ergonomic rubber grip. It offers users enormous value, with its 15 amps motor and ball bearing design with regular lubrication. It is sturdy enough for multiple functionalities. However, it is perfect for when you need to build frames, do construction works, engage in furniture making, cut plywoods like OSB, level, and PSL. This unit also comes with a 7 1/4-inch framing blade with the tip of the blade made of carbide that gives the extraordinary capacity to cut through boards with nails easily. It is easy to overheat this type of blade. Hence, the heat vents that come with this unit helps to dissipate heat and improve performance. Plus, this worm drive saw comes with an optimal no-load speed of 4,500 rotations per minute. This RPM rating is sufficient to cover you in almost all situations. It comes with a cut capacity of 2 3/8 inches when the blades are inclined at an angle of 90 degrees. Above all else, its ease of use is further enhanced with the fast access spindle locking system. Also, the wrench buttons of the saw blade make it easier for you to change blades. At number 3. SKILSAW SPT77WML01. The lightest worm drive continues the long tradition of this worm drive quality, rugged durability, and consistently exceptional cutting performance. Weighing in at just 11.5 pounds, it's the lightest worm drive saw on the market. Also, the rugged magnesium housing stays strong but keeps the motor cooler, giving you powerful performance job after job. This model even comes with a SKILSAW blade, just to make sure your SKILSAW is tough as nails right out of the box. A lot of professionals of a certain generation will tell you that when it comes to circular saws, both standard and worm drive. Moreover, this saw draws 15 amps, and the magnesium frame makes it the lightest and definitely on the most well-engineered and user-friendly worm drive saws out there. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4. MAKITA 5377MG. The hypoid gears, combined with this worm drive 100% oil bath gear coating, make this saw the most durable and maintenance-free on the market. Also, it doesn't skimp on performance either. The powerful motor draws 15 amps and outputs a max RPM of 4,500, making it more than sufficient for just about any professional, contractor-grade job. And, the magnesium model is substantially lighter, about 13 pounds, than the standard MAKITA HITACHI, which is a big plus because worm drives are notorious for being heavy, bulky tools that can be difficult to handle for beginners. Lastly, this saw is the large, very well thought out, and well-placed rubberized levers, which make on-the-fly adjustments super quick and easy. At number 5. Hitachi C7WDM. It comes with a potent 15-amp motor that generates 5,000 no-load rotation per minute. The power generated by the motor is so forceful that it speedily, sufficiently, and conveniently handles even the toughest cutting tasks. Also, it comes in an ergonomic design which makes it easy to use. Despite its lightweight, it comes in a sturdy build and ensures you get professional outcomes over a long period. Besides, the unit boasts of steel bevel and fine-tuning depth levers that allow you to raise its strength for real-world applications. These levers are rugged enough to withstand any abuse thrown on them. It comes in a very solid build, and the depth adjust levers are structured with durable steel which makes the tool resilient for any hardest industrial tasks. In addition, you can rely on the tool thanks to its worm drive gears which gives the machine the dramatic torque that allows it to cut through tough lumbers easily. Moreover, it equally comes with a soft clutch comfortable and non-slip grip which minimizes vibrations. While this tool is slightly heavy, it is well worth it due to the value of the durable materials used for the construction of the saw. At number 6. MILWAUKEE 6477-20. This saw is constructed of magnesium for durability as well as for weight reasons. It has a 15-amp motor that produces 4,400 RPM, so you can cut the hardest materials without the worry of the saw blade bogging down. Also, this saw has an oil sight glass so you can keep an eye on the oil reserves and top them up when necessary. This saw has an industry-leading 5-year warranty, rivaling the Hitachi but beating the other saws on the list. While this saw has magnesium housing designed to decrease the weight, this saw weighs 15 pounds, which is almost 4 pounds heavier than the SKILSAW option. Above all else, this saw has a 5-year warranty for peace of mind and your satisfaction.